Hi, Scott Shubert here. Since we've had thousands of people asking about our new Yin Yang Forex trading course, I thought I would give you a little guided tour and show you what I'm going to be sending you and what it will do for you. So when you first get this package in the mail, you're going to have this big box of stuff, and you're going to open it up and look inside and see that there's all these different videos in there. So first of all, don't let this overwhelm you or intimidate you, thinking that this is going to be too much material, or that's going to be too complicated or difficult, or that you won't be able to get through it. It really won't take long for you to get through all of this material, and you'll actually enjoy the process because you'll be having a series of insights and aha experiences that transform the way you look at the markets and will help you to get the results that you've been looking for in Forex. Even if you can commit 1 hour per day, you'll probably be finished with this entire course in less than a month. If you can commit a couple of hours per day, you'll finish watching all of these DVDs in a lot shorter time. A lot of people tell me that there are several videos that you'll want to watch several times until you know it backwards and forwards. This material is really not difficult or complicated or highly technical. There have been many people who have no particular technical background and have no experience in trading who have gone through this course and been able to get good results right away. You'll discover that the process of learning to trade with consistent profit is really a matter of seeing certain pictures on your charts. It's really just all about looking at charts, and I believe that anyone can learn to trade successfully even if they have no technical background or no previous experience in trading. So the DVD box that you're going to want to start with first is this one, and it's called Getting Started Right in Forex Trading. Now, if you're one of those traders who already has some experience and background in Forex trading, you may be tempted to skip this one because this is for beginners. But I've had several people who have been trading for years tell me that they still got some important, valuable information from this section. This section has some essential information for getting started in the Forex trading business that just isn't covered by Forex brokers and other training programs. You need to know things like how Forex accounts work, lot sizes, pip value, and how to know your risk when you enter a trade, and so on. Next, you'll go to the purple section called the Forex Secrets. In this section, I reveal to you some of what I consider to be the secrets of the Forex trading business. Some people say there are no secrets in Forex. Well, if other people are not aware of these things, if other people are not paying attention to these things, then they really are secret for most people. You'll learn some ways of approaching Forex trading that will set you apart from the majority of traders who will never get anywhere. These secrets start you out with a different view of Forex trading than what is commonly taught in other training programs. And as you later start to apply specific trading techniques, you'll understand more about why they work so well, and you'll see more about why you're able to get such fantastic results while the rest of the trading world may be struggling. So then you'll be ready to dive right into this next section, which is called the organic breadth of the market. I've often said that most traders try to project mechanical qualities onto the financial markets. But markets just aren't mechanical, and they don't behave like machines. In this section, you'll see illustrated graphically on the charts how you can become aware of that natural flow of the market, and how those surges of price action that can produce profitable trades arise like the formation of a newly sprouted plant, and it gives signs when the plant is beginning to sprout. The trader who sees this natural flow of the organic breath in both directions is able to enter and exit trades at the right time on any time frame. Because so many people around the world have transformed their lives and their trading businesses with this, and a lot of people are still using it with fantastic results to this day, I've decided to include in this course the original, complete Shubert accuracy method. When you go through this section, you're going to be tempted to just stop right here and start using this method for the rest of your trading career. But if you choose to go through the rest of the course, you're going to see why it's essential to learn some of the methods that are taught later in the course. Using this method, you'll be able to learn to have a high probability of winning, a high percentage of the time, and have your winning trades consistently average 2 to 4 times bigger than your losses. And the beauty of this method is that it's so simple and easy. This method has been such a major breakthrough for many people and has been so widely acclaimed around the world that I've decided to include it. Even if you do decide to just use this method for the rest of your trading career, I want you to still go through the rest of the course to see why we're using a slightly different method now. My offer still stands that if anyone is using this method or the methods that are taught later in the course and are not having good results, just send me a copy of your account statement and I'll go through it and show you in what way you're not doing this. In this next section, I created a unique training program on Fibonacci for trading. You're going to discover how this ancient mathematical formula has almost magical qualities when applied to the financial markets. A lot of traders who don't understand why Fibonacci works believe that the reason it works is because so many traders are now aware of it and it therefore becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. But I believe that anyone who observes the natural formation of patterns in the financial markets will eventually discover that the reason it works is because of natural rhythms which occur everywhere in nature and has been happening since before people knew what Fibonacci is and since before they had charting software that has built-in Fibonacci tools. Fibonacci is not a trading method. It's a tool that assists you in the process of trading, and you need to know how it works. When you go through this next section, you're going to have some extremely powerful insights that will impact your trading business for the rest of your life. This is the section I love the most, and it's called Elliott Wave Made Simple. I believe that Elliott Wave is the most widely misunderstood subject in the trading industry. On the one hand, you'll see that markets really do unfold according to the principles of Elliott Wave. Not so much the number of waves, if you're counting them and so forth, but the fact that the markets form trends and then corrections. It never stops. It continues to do this all the time. On the other hand, you'll see that the experts who use Elliott Wave are consistently making errors that can reduce the probability of winning trades to 50% or less. Once you see that the purpose of trading is to make money, and it's not to have the correct labels on a puzzle-solving game, your ability to make money using this knowledge will be multiplied many times over. When you combine these simple principles with the insights that are revealed in the next section, you'll be virtually unstoppable in trading, as you see that the market never does anything but produce one trading opportunity after another. I'll tell you something that I consider to be somewhat confidential, and that is that the successful application of the principles of Elliott Wave has almost nothing to do with counting waves. Okay, by now you're going to start to feel very excited about your trading business. You're going to have the roadmap to success permanently emblazoned in your mind. Instead of fighting against the market, watching your trades go bad until you end up losing over and over again, you're going to be in what I call the rhythm of profit. A continuous cycle opens the door for you to wait, enter a trade, wait, exit a trade with the timing of your entries and exits happening right at the turning points that put profit into your account over and over. While other traders are scratching their heads in confusion or banging their heads against the wall in frustration, once you've been through these 3 discs and you've participated in our live webinars, I believe that you'll be able to enter and exit trades with consistent profit for the rest of your life. No one can take that skill away from you, and it's a very empowering feeling to know that you finally mastered the business of Forex trading. While most of the world will always believe that it's impossible, you'll be able to just quietly smile and keep on banking profit over and over again. And I can tell you from experience that you may want to be kind of selective about who you tell what's going on with your trading business. Okay, now it's time to start putting it all together. This section is called The Process of Trading. In these 2 DVDs, you'll actually be experiencing that you can look at the charts anytime, day or night, any day of the week on any currency pair and know in advance what the next trade will be. I've had many traders with years of experience and numerous training programs under their belt tell me that after going through our course and participating in our live sessions, they were finally able to get the results they were looking for and finally able to get above break even in their trading business. Okay, after you've been through the entire course, you're going to discover there's one more section in here called the Samurai Warrior Short-Term Day Trading. And I wanted to include in this version of the course this section because the original course focused pretty much exclusively on longer-term trading. Now we've discovered that we can apply our trading techniques to any time frame, and the beauty of trading on the short-term time frames is that you can get in and get out and bank profit into your account on a daily basis. The Samurai Warrior Short-Term Day Trading section shows you how to apply our trading techniques specifically on the short-term time frames of the 15-minute, 10-minute, 5-minute, and 1-minute time frames. Like a samurai warrior, you need to be quick and you need to be able to react quickly, and you need to be focused on your charts while you're doing this type of trading, but you're going to really enjoy the benefits that it gives you. This version of the course includes a printed manual with text and diagrams that you can study along with the main part of the course, which is video-based. I've included in this course an additional bonus of another set of 10 DVDs of previously recorded live sessions in which we're trading on that particular day in the Platinum Trading Group. Our current sessions are even more exciting and dynamic because there's so much live interaction and live trading going on constantly. You'll discover in our live trading sessions that there are often unique, spontaneous lessons and training experiences that only happen on that one particular day. All throughout the Platinum Trading Group, you'll be having these unique, spontaneous training experiences, as well as interacting and getting to know other traders, some of whom are trading for their sole source of income. Sometimes we may start talking about brokers or global economy or even personal chat about our lives and experiences as traders. You never know what's going to happen in these live sessions. The exciting thing is that you'll be participating in a group that has the same goals and intentions that you have and is involved in the same business that you're involved in. That's why I've included these 10 DVDs of previously recorded live sessions, as well as offering you 3 months of live membership in the Platinum Trading Group for free that's included with this course. I want you to fully experience what you learn in this course and apply it in your business and get results. In the live trading sessions, you're going to be able to look at the market with us and identify the next trade in advance and even write down the specific criteria for the next trade before it happens, and then when it happens, you'll be able to enter the trade with confidence. We also have a community alert service that enables all the members of our trading community to work together as a team around the clock to help each other to know when an important trade may be happening. No one can watch the charts for 24 hours a day, but when an important turning point is about to happen, we can all work together by letting our colleagues know if we see it happening. You might be sleeping or at the grocery store or out on the golf course when an important trade is about to happen. And when we work together as a team using the community alert service, you can receive a text on your cell phone letting you know that you may want to go to your computer and look to see if you may want to get into a trade. We have members all around the world, and even in the US, some traders do stay up all night trading the London session, but no one can watch the charts 24 hours a day, and everyone has their own schedule. You'll definitely enjoy having this opportunity to give or receive a heads up about an important turning point or entry that may be about to happen. A huge part of success in trading has to do with overcoming the resistance of the subconscious mind and programming the subconscious mind for success. That's why all throughout the personal development and success training field, success training coaches, motivation mentors all know that programming the subconscious mind is the key to success. People like Anthony Robbins have taught NLP, neuro-linguistic programming, for years. In this recording, I've collaborated with Steve G. Jones, who has become widely acclaimed as one of the experts in the field of hypnotherapy. Together we have developed a hypnotherapy trading CD that is specifically designed to program your subconscious mind for success in the Yin-Yang Forex trading course. Because our approach to trading is different from other methods, the suggestions that are most appropriate for your subconscious mind are also different. When you listen to this recording regularly, your subconscious mind will receive the suggestions that it needs to assist you in the process of achieving continual success in your Forex trading business. So here's what you need to do next. Now, you know this is a winning opportunity. When you're ready to take action, when you're ready to get started, just click on the order button below. We'll be sending you out all this material, and we'll also be emailing your login and password to the online version of this course and all the additional archived training videos. And after you've been through the course, then you'll be starting in the live trading sessions in the Platinum Trading Group for 3 months for free. I look forward to seeing you on the inside as a member.